I think I started singing before I could speak, possibly, in the chapels, the Band of Hopes, you know. And then I belonged to the Pontypridd Operatic Society. And then I belonged to the YMCA Dramatic Society. And this was a great opportunity for people, teenagers, of developing, whether they knew it or not, developing a technique, stage technique. Singers in those days were kept in Wales, I think, because of the eisteddfodau. Now, the eisteddfodau were wonderful things, the national, semi-national, and they had their competitions, and we heard wonderful singers in those days, no doubt about it at all. Now they would win possibly the champion solo or the blue ribbon. Wonderful, great, glorious evening for them. This, I'm afraid, became a kind of a pinnacle for them. And they thought now that they had reached the top. Well, possibly they had in Wales. And it would have been much better for them to have had not the medal or the glory, but a wonderful scholarship. It would have been better for Wales and for the singers themselves to have gone out to the world and come back very often to Wales. You know, singing in English is very difficult. Singing in Italian is wonderful. Singing in Welsh is wonderful. And singing in German is wonderful. If I am singing something in Italian, let's say Falstaff, for instance, I cannot sing Falstaff in English. More than likely I could do it in the Shakespeare, in speech, and be convincing in it. But I cannot be convincing in singing Falstaff in English, having been written to music by Verdi. Let me give you an example. In it, one place, Falstaff sings about his early days. And it's a wonderful little ditty. It's the shortest aria ever written, I think. And it goes, Quando ero paggio de ducanino folk, ero sottile, 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 ero mi raggio vago, leggero, gentile, gentile, gentile. You know? Now that in English it is something like, when I was the page in the service of the Duke, I was so dainty, so dainty, so dainty. I can't get the, you know? Yeah. Or if I'm singing in Russian. Pravoslavnie, neumalim bayarin. I would feel that I was a Russian singing. And in thinking this, you sound like a Russian. One of the wonderful experiences one has was at Glyndebourne. After a wonderful performance, first night, we'd have after the performance, go and have a supper by candlelight. And there would be people there singers from all countries, Spanish, Italians, who were in the cast. And there'd be a Welshman there as well. And I used to be very proud. And we'd get up and sing folk songs of our own country. And I would get up and sing, naturally, either Dafydd y Garreg Wen o Ar Hyd y Nos or Sosban Fach, Tros y Garreg. And in singing this, he would say, that sounds like Russian. No, it's not Russian. Well, what is it? Hungarian? No. Welsh. Because we are fortunate in Wales, in singing, we are fortunate in having the guttural of the Slavonic type, North Walian, the Welsh North Walian, siarad yn gryg fel achwel, a mae fe'n hawdd I ganu. I know it's more guttural than the German, doing Pizarro, you know. Welch ein Augenblick, die Rache werd dich kühlen, dich, you know. It all helps. And we are fortunate that we are able, as Welsh people, to adapt ourselves to various languages. And I hope that Welsh singers will realize this.